Hello folks, this is Danielle from Martlet Investments with our June 2014 economic update. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the events that moved markets during the second quarter and what might affect markets in the days and weeks ahead. We ask that you stay tuned at the end of this update for a required disclosure statement. After a slow start to the year, the stock market picked up steam and had a great second quarter. Several indices reached new records, and the S&P 500 logged its longest quarterly rally since 1998. During the second quarter, the S&P 500 grew 4.7%, the Dow gained 2.2%, and Nasdaq gained just under 5%. After a chilly winter tempered economic activity, the big question on many people's minds was, will the economy do better during the second quarter? And the answer was absolutely yes. The final GDP numbers for the first quarter show that the economy shrank by 2.9%. And while that's a terrible number, we can chalk most of that weakness up to bad weather and other seasonal factors that should not affect future growth. While we don't have official second quarter data yet, some analysts are forecasting a GDP growth of over 3%, which would do a lot to make up for that slow start we had at the beginning of the year. The jobs picture significantly improved during the second quarter when nearly 500,000 jobs were added in April and May, dropping the unemployment rate to 6.3%. While we don't have official June data yet, we're hoping that healthy pace of hiring will continue. The labor market also reached an unofficial milestone in May when the economy recovered 8.7 million jobs that were lost during the recession. While we still have a long way to go before we reach healthy employment rates, it's nice to be able to pause and take stock of just how far we've come since the financial crisis. Geopolitical worries dogged investors during the first quarter as deteriorating security in the Ukraine and Iraq caused a spike in natural gas and oil prices. Neither situation has been resolved yet, so we can expect to see continued price volatility in the weeks ahead. Looking ahead, although summer is typically a slow time for trading, investors may see some volatility around important data releases and the Q2 earnings season. So far, expectations are for stronger earnings during Q2, which we hope will support the current stock rally. However, if investors are disappointed in company performance, we may see a pullback as traders take profits. Inflation is also an issue that we're keeping an eye on, as rising food and fuel costs may cause many Americans to rein in their spending in the coming months. As usual, we'll be monitoring the situation and keeping you updated. That's it for our June 2014 economic update. I hope that you found this commentary both informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions about what you heard in this video, or if you just want to discuss your personal financial situation with us, feel free to give us a call at 877-768-1919. We'll be happy to talk to you. Well, once again, this is Danielle from Martlet Investments signing off for the month of June. Have a great day.